Now, you've probably heard this before. Just eat olive oil and drink red wine and you'll live forever. Or maybe you've seen videos like, I tried the Mediterranean diet for 2 weeks and here's what happened. Suddenly, people think that the whole thing is about pasta on a hilltop in Italy, long dinners that are social, and just a glass of wine every night. Well, that's the version that often gets clicks, but it's not the real thing. So if you've tried to follow that version of the Mediterranean diet and you didn't see results, well, it's not really your fault, but I'm also not surprised. Because the truth is, the Mediterranean diet is not just another diet hack. And it is certainly not a food trend. It is definitely not something you can just try for 2 weeks and expect to feel like all your problems are immediately fixed. It is a full lifestyle that is meant to be followed long term. And that's where all the benefit comes from. Because it's actually how people live in that part of the world day to day. And they've been doing so for decades, even hundreds, if not thousands of years. It's all about eating real food, moving our bodies every day, sharing meals with those we care about, and taking care of our health in really small ways that adds up over time for big impact. But here's the problem. Most people are only seeing little snippets and pieces of it when we see clips on social media. They think it's just the olive oil or just the pasta or just the long meals with friends. So they'll try a recipe here or there online and say, ooh, it sounds Mediterranean, but it's missing key parts. And so what happens? They're left confused, frustrated, and stuck. And maybe you have felt this way yourself. Now, if you want the full Mediterranean framework that supports weight loss, I teach this to thousands of people, and I'll be hosting a free live webinar right here on YouTube very soon. There's a link to register below this video where you can grab your seat, and the spots are limited, so I recommend registering right away. It's going to be a very simple, free approach where I'll guide you step by step through what actually works. And yes, as a medical doctor, I am seeing this play out in my actual practice. Now, let's clear a few things up. The truth is, what the Mediterranean lifestyle really looks like are balanced meals that are built from simple ingredients. Like I said before, daily movement, even walking every day, and eating really slowly, having fewer distractions during meals, which all of those things together can help support really good sleep. And people tend to carry a little bit less stress than we do, for example, in the US culture. Plus, there's a very strong sense of community and support amongst Mediterranean cultures and in communities there. And this also provides a lot of health benefit. So you see, all of these different pieces actually fit together to create the Mediterranean lifestyle. And that is why people who tend to live this way often have lower rates of several chronic diseases that we know this from research. It's stuff like lower heart disease, lower diabetes, lower rates of dementia, certain cancers. So let's dive in a little bit more, though, about the food, because a lot of people, when they hear the term Mediterranean diet, the first thing that comes to their mind is the food itself. So let's just tackle this head on. The reason this diet does work so well for our blood sugar, our weight balance, and even our energy is because of one very simple system that I like to teach. And this is not something I made up, but it's just the way I like to phrase it because I think it's an easy way to think about it. I call it the perfect meal formula. Here's how it works. So each meal should have a source of protein, a source of fiber, a source of healthy fat, and something that adds very wonderful flavor and dimension. So sources of protein are classically things like fish or eggs or beans or yogurt or meat. Fiber can come from vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, beans, whole grains. Healthy fats are classically going to come from something like olive oil, but also from nuts like walnuts, or can come from seeds like sesame seeds or even avocado. And then flavors, things like herbs. There's so many herbs in Mediterranean cuisines, dried herbs, fresh herbs, you name it. Lots of spices, things like sumac. And then there's spicy things like different chilies, lemon, garlic, onions, etc. All of these things add so much dimension and flavor to the dishes. And that's really it. Like, that's what makes Mediterranean cuisine so wonderful, is that it's so simple. Now, because the Mediterranean lifestyle is about enjoying these balanced meals that support our health, they tend to keep us really full for hours. And what happens? Why is it, have you ever thought about this, that people in those cultures tend to have lower rates of obesity and they don't struggle with all the weight gain that other places are dealing with? It's also not just because, they're walking all day, but they're not really snacking in between their meals. Their meals are really filling and they're really balanced on average. And so that keeps people full for hours in between their meals, so they're not snacking as much, reaching for empty calories, and certainly things like junk food. Plus, for this lifestyle, it's really not required to count all your calories and track everything. And that's why I argue it's really not a diet at all. It's really the Mediterranean lifestyle. It's an approach to eating, an approach to living that gives all that health benefit. Yet, using the right foods in the right way is going to help jumpstart things like weight loss, for example. Plus, you can make these meals really easily. They're simple, they're basic ingredients. 10 minutes or less often can lead to a very balanced eating and a very healthy meal that'll keep you full and steady for hours. Now, quick reminder, if you want to learn how to actually follow the Mediterranean way that can help you lose weight, I will be hosting a free live webinar soon right here on YouTube. It is a deep dive, it's totally free, and you can register. The link is below this video and you want to grab your spot. So now if you're thinking, well, okay, Dr. Anna, this all sounds really good. Where do I start? Like, okay, I want to get all these health benefits. I want to feel like I'm not doing a diet and restricting myself, but I don't know how to get going. So what I'm going to give you right now are 5 very small, simple strategies you can take to just start living the Mediterranean way. And you start wherever you're at in your life. So the first, which is not going to come as a surprise because we've been talking about this, but we want to target eating full, balanced meals as opposed to just snacking all the time. Because in the Mediterranean lifestyle, the meals really aren't rushed. Now, it's not always easy wherever you live to have lots of time to eat your meals, especially if you're at work. You're only given a certain amount of time. So you have to kind of take this all in the context of your day-to-day life. But the goal is that we get to a place where we're not grazing all day or just skipping meals and then binging later. The idea is anytime you have to eat, sit down, get your real food, make it a full meal that's built with balance, and take the time to just focus on the eating. This means we want to target the right nutrients as well. Enough protein, fiber, enough healthy fat, things that provide us really nice flavor that don't add a lot of added sugar and salt and heavy oils and thick sauces that are just kind of smothering our food. That is not Mediterranean at all. So the balance is really what keeps our blood sugar steady and our energy strong and sustained. And this is really important for getting all those health benefits. Because if you want help with that, don't forget I have some free resources under this video. I have the live webinar, which I'm going to be teaching soon, but as well I have some free downloadables. One I like to call the Perfect Meal Formula ebook, and it's basically a free guide that just dives deep into my approach to balanced eating. You can grab that link, is also in the description below this video, and it's free. I'll send it right to your email. It'll show you how to really start building these meals with the simple ingredients, and it comes with plenty of food lists and examples and meal ideas, so download it underneath this video. Okay, we're ready for simple step number 2, how to get started. You want to think about the other aspects of the Mediterranean lifestyle that are not just about the eating and the meals. So this is where the movement comes in. We want to move our body every day. This should include both targeted exercise, because we still want to maintain our health with specific exercise like cardiovascular weight training, but all the other just normal daily movement that's not working out. Walking, maybe it's biking, maybe it's just moving up and down the stairs, lifting heavy things. The daily movement that can come from chores like gardening or even stretching or housework, all of this counts as movement. And you should consider ways in which you can move your body more and more every day, because one of the things about the Mediterranean region is you have to picture like these old towns, some of them are built on a hilltop, and there might be a huge staircase to go from the bottom of the town up to the top where you live. And that means you're climbing stairs every day, maybe multiple times a day. That's that daily movement that people are really getting in the Mediterranean region that we're not getting the benefit of in a society, for example, where we're always in the car. So don't forget, moving a lot is really the ticket here. Even if it's not with specific purpose of exercise, it's going to make an impact on your health. So picture yourself maybe walking to do some of your errands if you live in a community that supports that. Maybe it's just housework, sweeping your porch. Maybe it's just taking the stairs at your workplace or wherever you are. If you're at a shopping mall, there are usually ways to sneak in a little bit more walking. Parking your car further away at the grocery store so you're forced to walk across the parking lot. Whatever you have to do. So if you're somebody who needs to drive everywhere or sit at a desk all day, these are some strategies you could implement so that you're not just stuck always sitting and not moving your body. You do maybe need to go a little bit out of your way to find ways to get more movement in, but it's so worth it. Now, even these small movements are going to help your body work better, and it will add up over time. don't forget to consider how much it matters a little bit day by day. All right, we're ready for strategy number 3 or step number 3, how to get started with the Mediterranean lifestyle. Well, it's to stay social, stay engaged. Because people in the Mediterranean really don't just eat the food and move all day. They're often sharing their food, sharing their meals, and doing activities with other people because it allows them to talk, to laugh, to connect. And the connection is a really big part of why this lifestyle is so healthy. You don't need to always be at a dinner party. It doesn't have to be formalized, but it can be as simple as just calling a friend or a family member, sitting with your family for lunch, talking to a member maybe of your church or your place of worship, saying hi to your neighbor and checking in on them sometimes instead of rushing past them. Connection is so healing and it's so important for our health overall. And don't forget, if you're having a bad day, reach out to somebody. This is one of the best ways you can handle dealing with stress and dealing with something going on in your life is just talk it out. All right, the 4th step of how you can start applying a Mediterranean living right into your life is to just find an opportunity to get outside, no matter the season of the year. Fresh air, sunlight, time in nature are very cherished components of lots of old cultures of the world, including the Mediterranean cultures. There are numerous health benefits to doing all of this. We know it helps our mind and it helps our body relax. And in this lifestyle approach, it's the mental rest that's really just as important as all the physical stuff that we're talking about. So yes, it can include taking a walk, sitting on your porch, looking at trees or flowers, listening to birds, letting your eyes just kind of rest from all the screens. Now, I know if you're watching this video, you're looking at a screen right now, so I can't encourage you enough. When you're done with this video, just take a break from all the screens, unless you're, of course, going to watch one of my videos. No, I'm just kidding. Seriously, you want to take a break and get outside as much as possible. Even 10 minutes can help lower your stress and boost your mood. And this is super crucial to getting all of the long-term health benefits of Mediterranean living. All right, what's our next one? Our next one is to do something special that's just for you. Because in this lifestyle, joy is really not considered a luxury. It's like a daily need. You have to enjoy your life. No matter what is going on, no matter how much control you have or how much stress you're under, you have to find a way to take a break. Do something that makes you feel alive. Play some music, paint, knit, play in the garden, play with your kids or your grandkids, plant something, dance around your kitchen when no one's watching, make something from scratch just because you wanted to. I mean, these moments are really not wasted moments in your life. They're opportunities to completely shift your focus and your energy, and they're going to impact your health in a very positive way. They often will bring back your energy, center you back, and make you feel more like you. There's a reason we have that phrase in Latin, carpe diem, seize the day, make your day the best you can. And sometimes it's really with simple approaches that are going to make your day amazing. So again, if you really want help kind of putting all of this stuff together, living a Mediterranean approach, and maybe you are somebody who's interested in weight loss, I am teaching a free class right here on YouTube. I have a link below to register your seat. You don't want to miss out. It's going to be a super deep dive in how you can get started with these Mediterranean approaches for being healthy and just losing weight, which is something so many folks are interested in doing. And so don't forget, yeah, you have been a little bit lied to about what you maybe thought the Mediterranean diet was all about. But luckily at this point, you've learned the truth. The Mediterranean diet is not a gimmick. It's not a diet at all. And it's certainly not a 2-week hack. It's an absolute approach to living that is super simple and super enjoyable to implement. And when you understand how to live it, you're starting to get the benefits right away. So you've got this. When you're ready, jump into my next video up here so you can really learn how to master this entire lifestyle. I have so much more learning for you right here on this channel. Jump into that video and I'll see you in there.